In this video, I am going to simplify these complex numbers. Let's start off with square root of negative 50. This I could rewrite it as square root of 50 times negative 1. Then I could break it down further to square root of 50 times square root of negative 1. In going from here to here, I have used this formula. Nth root of a number, nth root of AB is equal to nth root of A times nth root of B. That's the formula that I used. That's property of radical, multiplication property of radical. Now, square root of negative 1 is I. So you know it. So I'm going to replace this by I. Okay? Replace this one by I. Now square root of 50, I could break it down further. 25 times 2. 25 is a perfect square. That's why I factored it out. That's the biggest number I could factor out from 50. That's a perfect square. Then, of course, square root of negative 1. Then I could simplify this again using this rule. That's going to be square root of 25 times square root of 2, then square root of negative 1. But square root of 25 is 5, then square root of 2 is square root of 2, and then square root of negative 1 is I. So that's your answer for this one. Now for the other one, this is what we've got. Square root of negative 100 over 121, which by the way is the same as square root of 100 over 121 times negative 1, all under the square root. Then again using this rule, product rule for radicals, I could break it down to square root of 100 over 121 times square root of negative 1. Again, square root of negative 1 is just I. So, and the square root of 100 over 121 is just 10 over 11. Then this is I. So 10 over 11 I, and that's the answer to this one. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.